Make a program to get the robot to turn 180 degrees. I'm going to use a sensor for this one. You don't have to use a sensor. You can tell the motors, like as you can see here, you can tell the motors to move at different rotations. So if you move one motor forward, positive speed, and the other one backwards, the robot's going to turn. Then for how long that the motors are running, you can set the motors to run for a number of rotations, or a number of degrees, or a number of seconds. You can steer the robot that way. The only problem is, as you saw with the distance, it's not terribly accurate. If you need it to be accurate, this isn't really going to do it. We have a gyro sensor. It is a little bit temperamental. Sometimes you plug them in and they're reading all kinds of angles. This one is reading an angle of 0, which is great. If it's happening, if it's just, changing angles, like the angles are going up, or down, just unplug it and plug it back in. That will straighten it out. The big hint is use the gyro sensor. You can see the gyro sensor. Let me get closer so you can see it. This is the gyro sensor. So you can figure out how much it's turned, how much the robot has rotated. Let's make a block to rotate a certain number of degrees. First, I'm going to call it right. Make a block. Make a block that is going to rotate the robot to the right a number of degrees. Go to my movement, get my A and B to start moving. I'm going to start my motors A and B moving. I want them to start moving at, let's say, at -5 and 5%. One's moving backwards, one's moving forward, and that should get it to rotate. Okay, so if we did something like that and we told it to run, the robot would rotate.